Time for some spring cleanup. Show you what I'm doing here. Just kind of grabbing a ponytail and then cutting it off. And like I'm cutting it down to about an inch. Anyway, that's that. So I do that for all the million of these guys, and then the Nephofia fire poker, same thing. I'll just cut it down to like an inch, clear all the dead stuff away. The rest is mostly zinnias, so I'll just rip them out. They're all dried up and dead. Oh, and that's blue fescue, by the way. One down. First snake of the year, and he's not quite awake yet. This is actually the first one I've picked up here, because he's pretty tame. All right, buddy, you gotta go over here. Okay, bye. Snake 2. Oh, he's a lively one. Run, buddy, run! Run, run! Okay, let's get you out of here. I'm not sure where, but you gotta go. What the fuck are you doing? Bro, what kind of move is that? Okay. Hey, I'm trying to help you. You're gonna get squished if you stay here. Come on. Bro, I'm not trying to hurt you. Come on. Yeah, nope. Nope. Like, is this gonna teach you to get out of here? What are you doing? Where are you going? Okay, you found a hole. Goodbye. Don't touch your tail until you keep going. Okay, bye. Come on, you're free. Run. Hey. You gonna pee on it? No. Come on. Go, run. Go run, dude, go run. There you go. Oh, Jesus Christ, man, you have no boundaries. Just having fun, living his wild and free life. Don't drink that, it's like sludge. Louie, Louie. Jesus Christ. Hey. Okay, you do you. Drink the swamp water. Oh, gross, gross. Hey, drop it. Okay, go do your running. That's fun. You're gonna have to learn to stay out of there. Here he goes. Time to trim the shrubs. Okay, much better. They look a little rough, but I feel like they'll fill back in. The deer got hungry this winter, so they took out those two really bad, so I had to trim the rest. So they're at least a little more similar sized, but we'll see. That one might be toast. Back at it, gonna finish cleaning up these beds, and I got a helper. We're gonna see how he does out here. He's on a leash, because the road is like literally right there. And he's just a puppy and not quite smart yet. Anyways, here we go. Okay, another pro tip. Well, is this another one? Anyways, pro tip. If you're gonna build a new garden bed or make a new garden bed, don't rototill grass under. It doesn't work. This shit just comes right back. I think what you'd have to do is rototill and then put cardboard down, or just put cardboard down and then a real thick layer of soil on top. You know, wait a couple weeks maybe, depending how much rain you get, and then you should be good to plant. This way, not good. Okay, this one is done, pretty much, and it was mostly grass, which I feel like was probably gonna be a lot harder than the one I'm gonna go do on the other side. Let's take my cool fucking weed puller thing. This thing rocks. I don't care what anyone says. It's not a gimmick. Okay, so we got... Oh yeah, actually I'm gonna have to get the different gloves, because these are all thistles of some sort. And they keep fucking coming back. Jesus. Okay, let me go get better gloves. If you ever really don't like someone, I'm telling you, get one of the flowers from this in fall and sprinkle it all over their yard. Jesus Christ. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? What are we on, like day 12? Okay, 10 years later. Here we go, last strip. Okay, we just gotta weed and edge this garden, and then I think we're ready to plant. Pretty sweet. I like somehow magically planted these in a really good way. So I had these other tulips. They're like little fiery pointy petals. They're really cool. They're like neon fluorescent orange, maybe fluorescent red. And then they start dying off, and then these ones come out, which they're starting to die off now. Oh, and there's a honeybee in there. And then the Queen of the Night. This is the newest one. They're pretty cool. They start coming out. So succession planted. That's pretty cool. Okay, let's do this. And I got a knee pad for my old body. Okay, weeding's done, and now I'm gonna see how far I can get on edging. Yeah. I can't dig those out today.
Dig what out?
Said I can't dig those out today. That is done. So, spring cleanup done. Now I can start planting. And I think I'm gonna get some quartz to fill this. And then I can spray the quartz and it'll drip down and kill any grass that's trying to come through. Hopefully, that's the plan.